Welcome to our comprehensive guide on building your first gaming PC tailored specifically for Minecraft in 2025. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the core components. You'll need a powerful CPU for processing, a capable GPU for stunning graphics, adequate RAM for smooth gameplay, and the right storage solution. Before we start building, ensure that you have the necessary tools at hand. A screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and some cable ties will go a long way. Now, let's get to the exciting part, assembling your gaming PC. I'll guide you through each step so you can follow along easily. With your PC assembled, it's time to install Minecraft. Once that's done, we'll walk through optimizing your settings for the best performance. After installation, testing your PC is crucial. We'll run some benchmarks to ensure everything is performing at its best. Taking care of your PC is essential for longevity. Remember to keep an eye on upgradability options and regular maintenance. Don't worry if things don't go perfectly. I'll share some common troubleshooting tips to help you fix any issues that may arise. Congratulations! You've successfully built your own gaming PC for Minecraft. Now, enjoy your game and explore the endless possibilities.